This Century 21 United property video is presented by David.kitterlin. Southern Hills property close to Southwood and Summer Grove schools, corner lot with double gate, roof less than 1 year old, nice patio, close to Mansfield Rd, and 3,132. Owner is doing some TLC and decluttering, HVAC will be replaced before closing, floor needs some repair, ceiling the den to be repaired. Seller will give a $1,000 flooring allowance with an acceptable offer. For more information, review the details below.